G'day, I'm Clive and welcome to PTT Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at the Bushcraft Essentials EDC box, which is meant to be the smallest box stove in the world. We'll be using the EDC box today with the tea light candle to see if it is any good at keeping drinks warm. Okay, let's show you putting this together. This is going to be a little bit awkward as I'm sat behind the camera and I'm having to stretch around and over. But this little EDC box is small enough to actually fit in your wallet. And there's only one piece I've added to it, and that's this little piece of titanium, which I use when I'm using the Esbit cube. So let's put that in there out of the way. Every part has a hole big enough to put a small carabiner through, so it can all be carried on the outside of your pack with a carabiner, or kept together inside your pack on the carabiner. Okay, this is the back. We have the pieces here and the holes that it slides into, and just push up. And we get the other side, do the same again and push it up. And this little base plate is where you'll sit your Esbit cube on, and we'll just push that into place. Might help if I keep it together. And this is your front piece for feeding the wood when you use it as a wood burner. We'll do the same with that, just slide it into the slots and slide it up. And that's the box section complete. And then we're left with these two pieces. And what these are is the pot stand. And we just slide them together and sit it on top of the stove. But the one problem with that is your tea light candle won't fit through the feed hole. So remember to put your tea light candle in first, and then your pot stand on top. So the next thing to do will be to light the tea light candle. Okay. So there's the cup of hot water. I've warmed that up to around 70 degrees centigrade. Let's have a look. Let's turn that on. Okay, that's reading around 67 degrees centigrade, which is 152 degrees Fahrenheit. And what we'll do now is we'll put it on top of the EDC box from Bushcraft Essentials with the lid on, and we'll come back in another 5 minutes and check the temperature. Okay, that's nearly 10 minutes. Let's check this temperature again. 68 degrees centigrade. Yeah, in 10 minutes it's actually gone up by 1 degree centigrade, which means it's actually warming it up. So let's put the lid back on and then come back in another 10 minutes ish and have a look. Okay, now we're on 20 minutes. Temperature's actually up to 70 degrees centigrade now, which is 159 degrees Fahrenheit. No, 71 degrees centigrade. So the actual tea candle is heating the water up, not just holding it. 72 degrees centigrade. Okay, let's give it another 10 minutes and come back and have another look. Okay, it's now been half an hour. That's 30 minutes. And let's check the temperature again. Keep it up off the bottom, so I don't want any heat of the metal, the titanium and the candle. Just want the temperature of the water. Temperature now has risen to 76 degrees centigrade. Which is 168 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's give it another 10 minutes. Okay, we're up to 45 minutes now. Let's check this temperature. 82 degrees centigrade, so it's still going slowly. At 82 degrees centigrade, which is 179 degrees Fahrenheit. And okay, we're looking around the 1 hour 20 minutes mark. So let's turn this on and get the temperature. 86 degrees centigrade, 186 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's leave it a little bit longer so you can make it reach the 90 degrees centigrade. Okay, it's now been over 1.5 hours. What's it say? Yeah, 1 hour 36 minutes. And the candle's beginning to get low, so let's have a look. Okay, 85 degrees centigrade it is, which is 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Not bad at all. The Bushcraft Essentials EDC box stove. It does exactly what it says with the candlelight. It'll keep your drinks warm. And today's test has shown it will actually heat it up. So until next time, get out there, have some fun, and take care.